The Pixel 2 has the best camera quality of any Android phone, and updates like water resistance and a best-in-class processor make it a top pick. The Android Oreo software will get regular updates, and Google's Lens feature taps into Google's vast search database, so you can immediately learn more about the world around you. In other ways, the Pixel 2 bucks big trends, foregoing the dual cameras seen in most of its competitors. Bokeh effect pictures don't look quite as elegant as those on the Apple iPhone 8 Plus, $1,129.99 at Amazon.com, and the Pixel 2's battery is so compared to its top tier rivals. The Pixel also doesn't flaunt super thin bezels, so it looks less sexy than the Samsung Galaxy S8, $659.99 at Amazon.com, and Note 8. And lastly, I really do miss that headphone jack. But the Pixel 2 is a fantastic phone for Android purists and casual fans alike. Putting aside portrait mode, it still has an impressive camera that can handle all sorts of tricky environments like low light, shadows and brightly lit backgrounds. In the end, the Pixel 2 mostly holds its own against the iPhone 8 Plus and Galaxy Note 8, $929.99 at Amazon.com, with a few omissions, like portrait mode and battery life, respectively. And while the Pixel 2 isn't exciting or particularly beautiful, its whole outweighs the sum of its parts. If you prefer a bigger display and have the budget, however, you may be interested in the 6-inch Pixel 2 XL. But be aware that there have been reported issues with its display in early review models, which I detail later.